Students, in the last class, in the part 1, we have discussed the theory part of redemption of preference shares. In this class, we'll start with the practicals, and this question stands for 6 marks. We'll read the question and we'll solve this sum by sentence wise. Here, Bhavna Limited redeemed its 10,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10%. Though the company had sufficient balance in the reserve fund, it decided to make fresh issue of 6,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of 25% for this purpose. Pass necessary journal entries. So in this question they have asked to pass journal entries in the books of Bhavna Limited. So here Bhavna Limited redeemed its 10,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10%. It means Bhavna Limited were making payment for the preference shareholders. That is, there were 10,000 preference shareholders. Each share value is rupees 100 each. And beyond that, they were paying a premium of 10%. The word redeemed means making repayment. So here, first entry we need to pass if the preference shares are being redeemed at premium. See here, preference shares were being redeemed at premium. The general entry will be redeemable preference share capital account, that is debit 10,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each. 10,000 into 100, 10 lakh. Credit, how much they were making premium? 10%. Debit premium on redemption of preference shares account, debit 10 lakh into 10% equals to 1 lakh, debit. For whom they were making payment, that is preference share capital plus premium. They were making payment to preference shares holder, to redeemable preference shareholder account, credit, total 11 lakh. Narration, being redeemable preference shares capital and premium on redemption of preference shares transferred to redeemable preference shareholders. I repeat once again, being redeemable preference share capital and premium on redemption of preference shares transferred to redeemable preference shareholders. Next sentence, though the company had sufficient balance in reserve fund, it decided to make fresh issue of equity shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10%. Here meaning the company is decided to make payment, that is in the form of reserve fund and in the form of equity shares. Here total capital is 10,000 into 100, that is 10 lakh. Basically 10 lakh has to be make payment excluding premium. But they were saying here it is decided to make fresh issue of equity, fresh issue of 6,000 equity shares. It means we will make payment for preference shareholders, that is by issuing 6,000 equity shares of rupees 100, that is they will utilize this amount to make payment. So it will be 6,000 into 100, it will be 6 lakh. Still we need 4 lakh because total capital is 10 lakh. So here the sufficient balance reserve fund 4 lakhs they will use to add for 10 lakh. Here the entry will be entry for capital redemption reserve account of divisible profit, because reserve fund will comes under CRR, that is capital redemption reserve. To make payment 4 lakh they will use in the form of reserve fund, remaining 6 lakh they will use in the form of equity share capital account. Reserve fund account debit 4 lakh to capital redemption reserve account 4 lakh. Next, here we made here second sentence is finished. Further, it is decided to make fresh issue of 6,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each. If the fresh issue of if the fresh issue is made at a premium, it means if the company issued fresh equity shares, the journal entry will be equity share capital account credit. Here they were issuing at premium of 25% to securities premium credit, bank account debit. Here 6,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each, that is equity share to equity share capital account credit 6,000 into 100 6 lakh and premium of 25% to securities premium account credit 6,000 into 100 6 lakh into 25% of premium, it will comes to 1,50,000. Total of 6 lakh plus 1,50,000 will be 7,50,000. Next, we need to pass one more journal entry for premium on redemption of preference shares, because we paid a premium at 10% for redemption of preference shares. See, they have given the word here, redeemed means redemption of preference shares. Entry will be securities premium account debit, that is total is 10,000 preference shares of rupees 100 is 10 lakh into 10%. 10 lakh into 10% 1 lakh. For whom they were making payment? To redeemable preference shareholders, to premium on redemption of preference shares, credit 1 lakh. Last, we need to pass the journal entry for final payment. Entry for final payment is redeemable preference shareholders account debit. Total is 1 lakh. Total is 11 lakh. How 11 lakh? 10,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each. 10 lakh plus 10% premium. 10 lakh into 10% equals to 11 lakh. See, we have solved here. Total 10 lakh plus 1 lakh, 11 lakh. Redeemable preference shareholder account debit 11 lakh to bank account credit 11 lakh. Once again I will repeat. See, here the confusion arises here. In second sentence they were saying, though the company had sufficient balance in the reserve fund, it means after paying 6,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each, company will pay 6 lakh rupees in the form of equity shares. But here they were saying, though the company had sufficient balance, it means whatever the balance remaining amount is remaining, you pay in the form of reserve fund, you pay in the form of divisible profit. It means how much total we need to pay, that is 10 lakh we need to pay. Out of 10 lakhs, 6 lakh we are paying in the form of equity share and 4 lakh in the form of reserve fund. So here I have given one similar question to you. Students, you try solving this. If you have any doubt in this, you can ask me. Thank you. I hope you have understood this video.